Imagine creating realistic videos with natural character movement, cinematic camera angles, smooth animations, and incredible visual quality, just by typing a prompt. No expensive cameras, no actors, no production crew, no advanced editing skills. This is the promise of Kling AI. Quickly become one of the most talked about AI video tools because of realistic motion and stunning visuals. Content creators, filmmakers, marketers, game designers, and businesses are using Kling AI to speed up creative work. But what exactly is Kling AI? How does it work? What makes it different? And how can you start using it right now? Kling AI is an AI-powered video model creating short clips from text prompts. It also animates images into videos. Its goal? Help you visualize ideas fast without any traditional filming hassles. Why did Kling AI become popular? Because it nails smooth, natural movement, a huge challenge for AI video. Results depend on your prompts and the model's power, but Kling aims for the most realistic scenes. For text to video, describe your scene like a young astronaut walking through a futuristic city at night, glowing lights, cinematic atmosphere, slow camera movement. The more detail, the better the video turns out. With image to video, breathe life into your AI art by animating still images into short clips. This helps your designs and concepts come alive with motion and storytelling. Crafting great prompts is key. Include the subject, environment, lighting, camera moves, mood, style, and realism level. Like a futuristic sports car driving through a neon-lit city during heavy rain, cinematic tracking shot, dramatic reflections, ultra-realistic. YouTube creators can visualize futuristic concepts, historical scenes, and cool intros with AI videos. Always double-check your clips to make sure they match your vision and message perfectly. Businesses speed up marketing with AI visuals, creating promos and product concepts faster than ever. AI handles early ideas, while teams polish final content for maximum impact. Filmmakers with tight budgets can create concept sequences and story ideas with Kling AI before full production. This saves time and money, making independent filmmaking easier and more creative. Avoid mistakes, don't use generic prompts, detail matters. Don't expect perfect consistency every time. Never neglect storytelling, your visuals need a narrative. And always review quality before publishing. Imagine a future where filmmakers create movie concepts in hours, teachers build animations effortlessly, businesses visualize ads instantly, YouTubers craft cinematic B-roll without cameras, and artists animate illustrations easily. The future isn't about replacing creators, it's about empowering you. AI breaks down tech barriers but leaves creativity in your hands. The best creators will blend storytelling, design, and AI into something unforgettable. Kling AI steps us toward that future. Learn the tech, master prompt,